Hey guys, what's up? It's Emem back with another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing start to your year. So today we are back with another hair video. I actually haven't done a hair video in a while, so I'm really excited about this one. So I decided to try a clay mask on my hair. I've never done this before. It's my first time trying it. I've just seen people try it, different YouTubers and on Instagram as well. So I wanted to give it a try and just see what it ends up doing to my hair. So for this clay mask, I used the Indian Healing Clay and an apple cider vinegar. I got the Indian Healing Clay off of Amazon. You can find it at Target, Walmart, or just like different stores. And so that's what I'm going to be using for this mixture to make the mask. So I'm actually going to be using about 4 scoops of the clay. I actually would recommend about 5 scoops if you have like the same volume of hair that I do. I ended up having to do 1 more scoop, so about 5 scoops would be perfect. So I just end up pouring the apple cider vinegar into the clay and just mixing it up into a paste. So make sure to do this like very well, because I saw them people who didn't really mix it well, and mine went up really smoothly because I was able to mix it up to a full-on paste. And so make sure to really getting there and like mix it into what you want. At the end I kind of put in a little bit of water, not too much, so don't water it down too much, but that's what it ended up being, like very pasty and very nice and smooth. So for my hair, I already had it in sections. I just shampooed my hair, so it's just freshly shampooed hair. I didn't want to start on dirty hair because I just felt like I don't know, like I should have started dirty hair. So I decided to do it on clean hair and just like see what happens. So I now section up my hair and I'm just adding some of the clay to my scalp. Also, it's very important to put on your scalp as well, because I ended up doing that and it kind of cleansed my scalp. You see that at the end of the video. And yeah, I just put it on the hair. I started at the root make sure to put it on the roots, because you know the roots is like your most, like, you know, the new growth of your hair, while the ends are kind of dying off, but the roots is kind of like the thick part of your hair. So make sure to put it on the roots very well, and also on your scalp. And then I ended up putting it on the ends of my hair as well. And to be honest guys, I was so shocked about what happened, to be honest, because it started really defining my curls, and so you could see the definition in my curls, as you can see right here, and it was so crazy. Also, the fact that it weighed my hair down so much, because I've never really seen my hair just fall down. You know how natural hair is now, you know, it just stands, but this time like it actually fell. I was like, wow, okay. So it was so heavy that it actually made my hair like fall down without like being straightened or blow dried or whatever, because you know natural hair, you can see the other parts of my hair, they just stand. So I was actually very shocked about that, and I was like, wow, okay, let's see what this is doing. So it definitely really brought out my curls. So before using the mask, I actually hadn't washed and conditioned my hair in a while. That's why you can see that my hair was really stiff. As you can see, even when I'm trying to separate the sections, you can see it was kind of stiff and like tangly and everything. But when I put the clay on it, it was actually easy for me to detangle. As you can see, I'm kind of finger tangling a little bit. So I actually don't really know much about this clay mask, but I've heard that it's meant to cleanse your hair and just like rejuvenate it and make it more alive and come back to life if your hair is like down and dead and you feel like your curls are not really flourishing. And actually really did. You can see the back of my hair as well. I have curls all over and it's really defining my curls. I also feel like it's both beneficial for your scalp and for your hair. I think you should really try it out. I really enjoyed doing it, and I'm definitely going to do it again. I just really enjoyed doing it, to be honest. The whole time I called my best friend and everything, and I was like, oh my gosh, look at my hair. Anyways, but it was like a really good experience for me. I really enjoyed doing it, and I definitely would continue doing it, maybe like once every 2 or 3 months and things like that. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. That's what the curls look like, and that's kind of what it looks like with my whole hair covered with the mask. As you can see, it was not stiff, it wasn't like dry, because I was able to mix it up very well into a paste, so it wasn't dry or anything. It was just very like nice and defined and everything. That's what the back looks like as well. As you can see, it kind of brought out the length in my curls, so it's actually reaching my neck and everything. So it wasn't, yeah, so basically brought out the length of my curls. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it very soon. I was seriously just having so much fun with this hair, to be honest. Like, I just felt like it looked really good and like nice, so ignore my foolishness. So now I'm just rinsing it off, and as you can see, it just rinses off very easily. I actually kept in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't keep it on for too long. So I just rinsed it up, and it will actually rinse out very easily, very smoothly, just like right out of my hair. And that's what it looks like once I rinsed it out. As you can see, my hair just looks alive and nice. I was just really happy with how it looked. It looks very clean. As you can see, my scalp looks very clean, and the hair was just like very nice and like shrunk really well. Like my hair is always shrinking, but like it was very full and voluminous, and at the back as well was looking very nice. My curls were still kind of defined, but you know, Flexi hair, it's not very easy for you to get like full on defined hair unless you're doing a wash and go, which I didn't do in this situation. But as you can see, yeah, it looks really nice. I really liked how it ended up looking, and I hope you guys liked what it looked like. And yeah, I just went ahead and deep conditioned and moisturized, and that's the result that I got for my first time trying this. I recommend that you try it out on your natural hair, see what it does, and yeah, post pictures, tag me, and tell me if you guys had a good experience with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing year. Bye guys. Peace and strength. Mwah.